Well, this is what my workbench looks like at any given moment in time when I'm not actually trying to shoot a video. Um, so I think it's been about 6, 8 months ago, maybe a year ago, one of my wireless microphone, just the lapel microphone, went out. And I had to order a replacement. And since that time, somebody commented on an older video and I looked at the video and I noticed that this microphone does not have nearly the frequency response that the other microphone had. So I just went and ordered a couple of cheapos on Amazon, on the Jungle shopping website, and see if I can even get these things open. They're in Ziploc bags. Okay, so this is one of them right here. And so the mic I'm using right now is just, it's a Power DYs. I don't know if you can see that on there. Power DYs microphone. Clip this back on my shirt down here. And so this is just a no-name little cheapo Chinese microphone. I thought I would try it. I mean, it looks adequate. Yeah, okay, the top does unscrew. And then, yes, there is a small little condenser mic, supposedly, in there. So, I've got it plugged into my wireless mic. This is the one that I ordered, the Power DYs. Let me unplug this. There'll be no audio for a moment and maybe a pop. Okay, so now I have the single microphone connected. And let me unclip the one that I had been using, and I'll clip this back into the exact same location. And this is microphone number 1. So basically testing frequency response on microphone number 1. And then this was so cheap, I just got a 2-pack of them. They're virtually the same. They look almost identical, so I'm wondering if they're going to be the exact same thing. Anyhow, there's 2 of them in here. Wow, they look identical. Look at that. Plug, maybe the plug looks slightly different. But, I mean, if it's got good response, I'll just run that. It comes with the little windscreen. Man, looks identical. That's pretty funny. The plug is slightly different, as you can see, hopefully. This one's got a larger plug on it, so I don't know if they're just trying to instill quality. Let's see, does this one unscrew as easily? Yes, it does. The little windscreen is just barely hanging on for life, but that's okay. I thought this one said, no, I thought it said something on it. Anyhow, let's go ahead and unplug the mic that I currently have clipped onto my shirt. There might be another pop or 2. Okay, and now we're using this microphone, so we'll set that guy aside. And I'll put that in the same exact location. This is microphone, well, I guess it would be number 3, with the original one I've been using for months being number 1. I do notice I do have an audio display on my monitor, and definitely much less hot, less sensitivity than the Power DYs microphone. But I'm not worried about that. I can fix that. I have a adjustable control that goes from my wireless mic into my camera. So I installed basically a volume control so I can adjust that externally. And I may do some compensation as I change microphones so they all appear to have the same level. But let me go ahead and end this video and see what you guys think. The original one, the first replacement, or this one that I'm currently using right here, the second replacement. And the windscreen really shouldn't make any difference as far as audio goes, but we'll go ahead and pop that on. Warning, there may be loud sounds. Okay, the windscreen has been attached and it's in the same location as previously. You guys let me know what you think. I'm not going to put the windscreen on the middle mic, but the first original one, the first replacement, or this one that I'm talking on right now, the second replacement. Everyone have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.